In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a blog post to Wix in 2025, step by step. Whether you're new to Wix or just need a little refresher, I'll walk you through each stage of the process, ensuring you can create and publish your blog posts with ease. Let's start by navigating to your blog management area. Once you're logged into your Wix website dashboard, look to the left-hand menu and click on Blog. Alternatively, if you're already working in the site editor, just head over to the blog section and then choose Manage Posts. This is your centralized hub for everything related to your blog on Wix. Now, with us in the blog management area, it's time to create a new post. You'll see a button labeled plus create new post. Click on that and you're well on your way to crafting your new post. Now we're into the heart of the process, writing your content. Start by entering a compelling title for your post at the top of the page. This is the first thing your readers will see, so make it engaging. Move on to the main body, where you can write directly in the editor or paste content from other sources. Wix provides plenty of formatting tools to help you make your post look professional and aligned with your brand. Make use of the icons to add elements like images, galleries, and videos, giving your post a visual appeal that might captivate your audience. Once your content is ready, let's move to customizing the settings. At the top right corner, you'll find a Next button. Click on it to proceed. You'll then want to take a look at the post settings. This section allows you to tailor various options for your post. Here, you can input SEO settings, categorize your post for better organization, and tag it to enhance its discoverability. Additionally, you have the option to add a featured image, list the author, and provide an excerpt to grab readers' attention immediately. With all your content and settings in place, the final step is to publish your post. Hit the Save button at the top right, and you'll be presented with three options: Save Changes, which allows you to keep your post as a draft; Schedule, where you can choose a specific date and time to automatically publish; and Save and Publish, which will publish the post immediately to your site. Choose the option that best fits your strategy. And there you have it. You've now successfully added a blog post to Wix. With these steps, you can enhance your online presence, engage with your audience, and share your insights efficiently. Thanks for tuning in, and happy blogging.